So let's move on from data analytics now to a maybe more exciting topic. Now it's all about image editing. This means we will see how we can use the code interpreter to analyze and transform images, to generate new images, and also to extract data from images. Data here means metadata, but also other things like text in an image. Really exciting things. What we need though are images. So attached to this lecture you can find 2 images actually, and we'll get started with the people image first. For this, once again, I'm back in a new chat with the code interpreter activated, and now we'll upload the people image first. As I said, you see that's a nice image, by the way, generated with Midjourney, with 2 people walking through the streets on a sunny day. So let's upload this image. And now we can play around with this image. Let's, for example, get started with extracting metadata, so image-specific information from this image. I'll just keep things simple and just add this prompt. So let's see. And that's quite good already. We get the format and the color mode. We get the dimensions, and with that we also get the aspect ratio. We get the size down here, and we get information about the last date when this image was modified. We get this rather cryptic timestamp here, and ChatGPT understands that this is not too helpful for us. Therefore, in the next step, it automatically converts this timestamp, and we see the last date and the time when this image was modified. So far so good. Now we could dive a bit deeper into the aspect ratio. I could calculate this on my own obviously, but I can also ask ChatGPT to do this for me. So what is the image aspect ratio? And we get an aspect ratio of 1.78 to 1, so a typical 16:9 aspect ratio. Now let's say that instead we want to have a 4:3 aspect ratio for this image. So let's instruct ChatGPT to do so. So we change the aspect ratio to 4:3. It should understand what I want right here. So again, it takes a few seconds. And then we should get back a new image provided as link where this image can be found. Now let's see what this looks like. Not too bad, but actually this looks a little bit distorted in my opinion. So if we compare it to the original one, I guess this didn't work perfectly. So we can say that it should not distort it, crop it instead. So basically we use it kind of like an image editing program, but we just instruct it to perform the required operations for us. Now it's not distorted, but the people are no longer in the center of the image. So it just cropped basically from the right, but actually it should crop both sides, left and right, equally. Let's see if we can fix this. So left and right should be cropped with equal lengths. Let's see. So now if we download this, now it looks good. Not distorted. 4:3 aspect ratio, cropped equally left and right. So this is how we can analyze and transform images with the help of the code interpreter. Let's now see how we can actually edit our images in a bit more detail.